Hello to my friends in Mrs. Pellicone's class. It's Mr. Bray, your computer teacher. Do you remember me? I was your specialist teacher not too long ago. So I hope you're enjoying your new special. I'm not sure where you went for your last special, but I hope you're having fun wherever you are. And I miss you here in digital lit and technology class. So I want to make this video for a couple different reasons. One, I want to show our friends at home what it looks like out front of my classroom with our bulletin board and all of the coding things that I have here. And I'm going to go over the top 5 coders in Mrs. Pellicone's class. So the 5 students with the most lines of code written. I'm so excited to share. Now, as a group, all of day 5 students, the kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 5th grade, we coded 39,229 lines of code in the 5 or 6 weeks we were together, which is just amazing. I'm so proud of all of my day 5 students. Now, let's get to business. Let's see who our top coders are in Mrs. Pellicone's class. Starting off with number 5, Aiden with 130 lines of code. Aiden, a wonderful job, bud. In 4th place was Noah with 133 lines of code. Oh my goodness, they were so close. Way to go, Noah. In 3rd place, Jada, eking by Noah. Look how close everyone is. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing coders. Jada with 134 lines of code. Way to go, Jada. In 2nd place, Aria with 160 lines of code. Wow, Aria, amazing job. And then there was one. Our top coder in Mrs. Pellicone's class was Brady. Look at Brady, over 200 lines of code. 206 to be exact. So excellent job, Brady, and everyone in Mrs. Pellicone's class. Even if you were not in the top 5, you contributed to the 2,090 lines of code. Think about that, guys. We coded 2,090 lines of code the time you were in class with me. So I'm so proud of you. You guys did an amazing, amazing job. I hope you're enjoying your next special, and make sure you say hi when I'm at Carline or in the hallways or wherever you may see me. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.